In this video, we're going to demonstrate how you can add information from other websites onto your own association website. To accomplish this, we're going to use a technology called RSS feeds. Now, for many years, your association site has published an RSS feed. You can look at it by clicking on the RSS link in the top corner. And in addition, other websites around the world also publish their own RSS feeds. What we've added recently, though, is the ability for your website to consume an RSS feed from somewhere else. Now, an RSS feed is handy because it allows another program like Outlook or a phone to get information delivered to that device or to that software without necessarily visiting the site. So it's a way for the site to publish information and create links back to the website so that people can read the rest of that information. Now, for example, if we look at the NHL website, we have the ability to look at their list of news. And on their news page, we have a little icon here that represents an RSS feed. So I click on that. It takes me to a list of feeds that the NHL provides, and a quick explanation as far as what RSS is. So if I click on the news feed, it then takes me to the actual feed. But what's important here is the address to that feed. Now, many of the users of the NB Sportsweb platform are members of either the Ontario Minor Hockey Association or Alliance Hockey. The Ontario Minor Hockey Association also has the ability to publish an RSS feed from their own website, as well as the Alliance Hockey has the ability to publish an RSS feed from their website. So we're going to demonstrate how to add those feeds into an association website for one of the associations within those particular governing bodies. At the end of this video, we're going to put the RSS feeds for each of those governing bodies onto the screen so that you can integrate them into your own association site. So to get started, we'll have a look at the Huron Perth Lakers, who are a member of the Alliance, and jump into the control panel. And the new features are found within System Administration, Season Defaults, expand the season that you want to work with, and this new item called Feeds. Within here, we can set individual feeds for each team or each category or each league within the site, or we can set the organization defaults to have them show everywhere. In this case, we're going to have the feed for the Alliance Hockey show on every single home page within the site. So we'll just open up the organization default. We'll go back and grab that feed address, paste into feed 1, call it whatever we want to call it on our site. And as you can see, we can have up to 5 additional feeds into a single association website. We'll go ahead and add the one for now. And now we have our Alliance headlines showing up on all pages or all home pages within the Huron Perth Lakers site. If we exit, these feeds will show up in a new section called the name of the feed, or if you have more than one feed, it'll actually just say news from around the web. And then each of those items that are published from, in this case, Alliance Hockey, will show up within the main body of the home page. If I click on here, it's going to take me directly to whatever link has been prescribed in that feed. In this case, it takes us to the Alliance Hockey Manual of Operations. Similarly, if we look at an association within the OMHA, for example, Aurora Minor Hockey, we also have the OMHA network turned on this site. If we go into the control panel, System Administration again, Season Defaults, 2015-2016, and Feeds. Again, we can add this as an organizational default. We'll take the OMHA feed address, paste it into the box, call it OMHA Headlines, and we'll also, just for fun, add the NHL headlines to see what it looks like when there's more than one. So now that we have both feed addresses into the site, we'll take a look at the home page again. And if we scroll to the middle section, we should have a combination of both OMHA as well as NHL news items. Now, if you add a feed from a source other than the OMHA or the Alliance, so such as the NHL or Major League Baseball, or if your own governing body or your own league publishes their own feed, and if it doesn't work, please do let us know, and we'll make sure that we take a look at how that feed is constructed and make sure that it is compatible with your association website. To make any changes, we can go back to the same page, remove or edit any of the feeds that we want to, and update. And these changes should take effect pretty much right away. So as mentioned, I'll just throw up the addresses that are on that are available for both the Ontario Minor Hockey Association as well as the Alliance Hockey. So for the OMHA, it's www.omha.net/news_RSS_feed !tags equals 1234948. And the Alliance Hockey one is http://alliancehockey.com/RSS/2762.